If you're experiencing matchmaking errors in EAFC25, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be affecting matchmaking. Step 5. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates and install them, as they often include fixes for known issues, including matchmaking errors. By following these steps, you should be able to address the matchmaking error in EAFC25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Happy gaming!